Hey everybody, Chris Shea here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can export video with a transparency background in Premiere Pro. It's very simple to do. Let's go check it out. Okay, so right now I have a video clip on my timeline. Let's say I wanted to do something to it, like if I wanted to do a transition or a fade out, or even if I wanted to make this a circle video. Here, I'll throw a mask on here. Boom, now it's a circle and I want to export a circle shaped video. Well, I can do that. If you're going to put anything underneath here, you want to make sure that, like let's say that I've got this here, you just want to make sure that the eye is shut off and that it is 100% transparent underneath whatever layers that you're working with, and that you set your in and out points to where you want the transparency to be. So like if this is my in point, send this to the out point, but this is the only clip on the timeline, so I'm not going to worry about that. All right, so let's go into the export settings. I'm just going to go File, Export Media. And then over here, I want to set this up as a QuickTime. Now there's other settings that will work with making transparency videos, but QuickTime is one to start with. And then for here, there's a lot of different options that you can use. The ProRes options work well. You know, you can even go to match source in a lot of cases. You know, we're going to do that. But the thing that you want to look for is where it says with alpha, but you can also do pretty much any of the ProReses offer alpha as well, so you don't necessarily need it on those options. You know, like let's say this is with alpha, this is with alpha. There's other things that you can do too, so it doesn't overly matter. So the thing that does matter is when you go to set your depth, your bit depth. So you have 8 bits per channel plus alpha. So you really want to make sure that that is checked. And if it doesn't say plus alpha, it's not going to be transparent. So just to show you guys in another thing that you could do, like the ProRes 444, which is the most common one, which is nice because you get a few extra options with this. So it's got 8 bits per channel plus alpha plus 16 bits. So, you know, we could do a 16 bits over here. Yeah, so that's it there. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to export this. I'm going to show you guys how it came out. Pull it up over here. We see how this came out, and to see if it actually worked, I'm going to get rid of the original clip, turn on the white. There we go. It has worked just fine. Alrighty, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this content useful. You can share this with a friend if you think they'll find it useful. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will try to get back to you. Thank you again. See you soon. Take care.